everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is salmon. More specifically, salmon in the air fryer. And it turned out delicious. You really need to try this one if you like salmon. It's really good. And it's a good keto recipe. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Yoda, what are we making today for the Monday meal? Say, Mom, we're making some air fryer salmon. Yes, this is skin-on salmon. So you put it skin side down. I always cover my air fryer basket with something. I usually use a non-stick foil that I spray with olive oil. But anyway, so that's what this is. And we have got, you're supposed to have Dijon mustard. I don't have that. I have spicy brown. So a teaspoon on each fillet. Spread that out. Then you need salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So I just use the blend because that's what it is. And they said in the recipe, which I'll link below, that you shake that on next on each individual fillet and then finish with paprika. Now, again, they said regular. I kind of like smoked better. So that is what is on there. We're gonna put it in the air fryer at 400 and you're gonna do 8 to 10 minutes. All right, it was 10 minutes on 400 in the air fryer, and as you can see, it is fully cooked. It's only supposed to be up to 145, so we are good to go with our salmons. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Give it a try. Happy Monday.